Hi guys, it's Cindy. I just wanted to come quickly and share with you some of my recent purchases. I thought you'd enjoy seeing what I picked up. So with that said, I'm going to go through quite a few items. Some of them I haven't opened and some of them I haven't seen, but I will show you what I picked up. Okay, so the first one is my Maymay Made It Stamp of the Month Club set. And this one is called Pocket Pals. And she has a Stamp of the Month club where you can subscribe and she will mail you a stamp set to your home every beginning of the month. And this one is adorable. It basically has some really cute little animals, a pocket, so you could get very creative and, put them in the pocket. And then, of course, you have some really nice words, which are actually a really good size so that you could use for card making. And I like that they're really nice, thick, kind of strong fonts. That shows up really nice when you are making cards. And then, of course, you've got plenty of space to color in some of these animals. They're a very good size as well. And I like the thick lines around her stamp sets because it gives you plenty of room where you could fussy cut or you can run it through the Brothers Scan and Cut. Another thing that a lot of people are not aware of is that if you go over to her website, she does offer free SVG files that you can download and cut in advance. So like if you're making, let's say, multiple cards and you don't want a fussy cut or you don't have a Brother Scan and Cut and maybe you just have a Cricut, she has a really great tutorial that will show you how to download the SVG and how to use it prior to stamping. And I have done it, and I'll be honest, it's very easy. It's something that anybody can do. So I would highly suggest subscribing to her channel and taking a look at some of her videos. She's an excellent teacher. So I've really enjoyed following her. Plus, I currently am part of her design team, and yeah, aside from that, I've been purchasing Maymay products for quite a while now. All right, so here we go. Next product that I received, and I'm going to move these out of the way. Okay, the next product that I received is from Maymay Made It again, and she had a recent sale. This one is a die set by Doris, and this one is a holiday collection that she put on clearance, I believe. I think they're actually 40% off the regular price, but this one has the wise men and a camel, and it's got some additional dies that you can use. I have the nativity die set that came out before around the same time I believe they came out, but I have the corresponding nativity die from Doris, and if you haven't used their dies, they are very reasonably priced. They are well made. They do a really good job cutting. And this one here, and I kind of would like to open it. Let's see if, okay, that's a little hard. But what I like about Doris is that they also include a magnet. So if you haven't purchased these before, they have a magnetic sheet that all of these dies will sit nicely on, and then you can store it with all of your crafting supplies. Okay, so that one was from Maymay. These next two are also from Maymay. Okay, this one here is a new stamp collection that she just put out. It basically has the different month calendar layouts, and it makes it super easy if you make calendars for gift purposes, which I do. It makes it really super easy to just pick whatever corresponding month matches the calendar, and you just stamp. Easily, you can make like a ton of calendars for gift purposes. But she includes in this stamp set the months, the upcoming years, some of the days of the week, and then some really cool little, like, I guess these are like for holidays or just additional little focus day stamps. And then of course your monthly stamp. Okay, so next one. This one is so cute. I love this stamp collection. Gina Crotchfeld, which is a designer right now on the design team, did a card, and I loved the card, so I had to get the stamp that she had used, and this is the stamp that she used, and it's really cute. It's got like ice cream cones on it, and I'm a big fan of ice cream, so so you have to have that. Okay, so this is all Maymay Made It. Okay, the next item that I got is the numbers, and these are the pop-out numbers and the stamps that correspond. And this is from the Home Shopping Network, and this is with Crafter's Companion. The numbers are actually a really good size, so I'll kind of pull that out a little bit so you can take a look. And I haven't used them yet, but it's about, you know, it's pretty good size. Let's take a look. Okay, so the number is approximately 3 inches in height and about 2.5 inches in width. So it is a very, very good size number collection. And I guess also if you want to do the numbers and maybe you don't want to pop them out, you can always cut like this little area once you run them through the die. But in this case, I do want to do pop out numbers, and I like it because you can use it for anniversaries, you can use them for birthdays. The really cool thing is, like, you know, if you have someone who's going to reach that number, that is just, you're not going to find a card in the card stores that's going to have that specific number. You can customize whatever number you want to do. And then of course you get the corresponding stamp set, which has a lot of really nice stamp words, and you know, that way you could, like, see right here, you can just decorate your card however you want. Okay, so this is the HSN purchase. The other item that I purchased is the Anagriffin, and I'm a huge fan of Anagriffin, so I had to get this die set. This is the Anagriffin Slimline Concentric dies, and I have not used them. And the one thing I'm going to tell you right now is that when I got this item, I was like, where's the rest of it? Because this particular die set is supposed to have, I believe it was like 20 dies or something like that. And it's a little stuck. Let me pull that out. But something that I did not realize is that the other half was behind it. Surprise! So what you receive is the slimline card-based die, and I'm going to tell you right now that you do need a large format die cutting machine. This will not fit in a Sizzix, just so you know. So you do have to have a large format die cutting machine, which I do have. So I was really happy that I can accommodate this die. And then of course you get all the concentric dies that go with. So this is from Anagriffin, and I look forward to using this because this is going to be a great tool for my craft room. Okay, the next item I got, this one came from crafterscompanion.com, and this one came with oh, in fact, you know, I got some more stuff. Okay, this one came with the 3 words that are going to cut. So these are the 3 different words, and then I got stamps for every set. Okay, so that one came from crafterscompanion.com, and I also received, and this is how I keep some of my dies, but like, see, this is a collection here, and it all goes together. And I pick up these bags at the Dollar Tree, and they're just quart size. I believe they're made by Ziploc, but they're quart size Ziploc bags. And I like to keep my dies that correspond together in a little baggie, and this is what I've picked up. So this one is really cute. This is a die set that you make a window on the card, and then on the front, you see right here, hopefully you could see that. Let me see if I could zoom in. Basically, you put the little critter in the front, and then when you open the card, it'll be on the back as well. And with this one, I got the polar bear and the Easter bunny, and then the die that makes the oval type window and the kind of square window. Okay, so I'm gonna pull back out. Okay, so that is what I got from Crafter's Companion. Okay, the other items that I got, these are from Craft Direct. And these are 12 by 12 paper collections that I have wanted for such a long time, and I just never got around to getting them. So this is from Graphic 45. This is a really nice paper collection, and I believe they were about $14.95 on that website, and I really, really like it, so I went ahead and picked that up. The other item that I picked up is the Alice in Wonderland. So cute. You know, you just have to have it. The colors are perfect. I love Alice in Wonderland, so I had to get that collection as well. And these are by Echo Park, but they're from craftdirect.com. And then I got this other Graphic 45 paper collection that is actually something I'll be using for a gift that I'm making for a friend of mine. And again, this is from Graphic 45 as well. So these paper collections I got from Craft Direct. Okay. The other item I got is a really cool Echo Park. Let me turn that around. I got the Echo Park. Wow, this is way cool. This might require a separate video. All right, guys. Yeah, this will be a separate video. Okay, so far that's what I got. Come back and take a look, and I'll open this with all of you a little bit later.